Ezekiel. Gone for the big shot straight away. Gets a top edge and gets a boundary to open his account. Picked up sweetly. Just clears the fielder in that mid-on position. He'll get 4.
It was not fully middled, but still enough legs to clear that in a circle.
Enough bat.
His hands to the ball. Quick hands there. Still not full in control, but effective. Very effective in the power play.
High risk. There he goes again. More of the middle of the bat. Fielders giving chase, but they can't catch it.
That's how you play to your role. Fearless cricket here, and he's taking the attack to one of the best bowlers in the opposition.
Just pass that fielder in short, fine leg.
But good awareness with the bat. All he had to do was touch the bat with the ball, and there were 4 runs on offer.
There he goes again. Should be taken, and it is taken.
He was lucky in the last over. Attempted a similar shot, went for 4 to third. Not this time. The ball got big on him, went up in the air, and a very good catch, running backwards. Safe hands.
Ali Haider making the call, one of the 2 presiding umpires. Up and away. Was in the slot. There was width on this one.
But on a free hit, he opens up his arms, connects well for 4 runs.
Last ball of the over. Gone short, and just sufficient bat.
What a catch! Have a look at this.
Brilliant. That's a good catch. We liked one yesterday and one this. He was having more weight on his left foot and suddenly improvised and dived. Oh, wow. Now that is a delivery.
How was this for a delivery? It's angled in, it's hit the seam, it's moved away just enough to get past the outside edge.
That's a bad ball. You got to put those away, of course. One bounce, boundary.
Decent caliber, will put this away. Sliding down the leg side. Just picked it up. Line of the ball, cleared the boundary with ease. Don't need deliveries like this at this stage.
Catch it! Absolutely, and they have been bowling well, creating those dot balls, but this is a brilliant shot. And that's about this field, because there's no cover. He wanted to play inside out. And the field was a setup.
Absolutely. Wahaj Riaz tried to, as you say, bisect it through those 3 fielders that were set behind square. And delight for Archie Lenham.
Went length. Might be taken, and yes. Safely into the hands of the fielder.
He struck it pretty well, but not well enough. Got more elevation than he would have wanted. Distance, George Thomas.
This will help. That's a clean strike over extra cover.
Timely boundary.
That's a biggie. Should be a biggie. Gone for 6.
Earlier on, he was full in the slot. This one's a slow ball, but again, length. Angled into the legs of the batsman. Charlie Tay takes advantage.
Charlie Tay to set himself. And there he goes again. Beats that short third. It's raining boundaries.
It could be, Darren. It just might be. He's gone for the Yorker. Just missed it. He's managed to squeeze that out. Charlie, nobody down at third man, gets a boundary.
That's cheeky. That's very smart.
Even if there was a third man, he was not going to get anywhere near it. Boundary early, so important.
Goes full and straight and squeezes it past the wicket keeper. 7 from 4.
Oh, you got to feel for him. That ball is just ducked away at the last moment, and that's why it's got the outside edge.
Is it the Raiders or is it the Warriors? Here we go. Clobbered. Another clean strike. Well,
it's twice he's gone up and over the offside, and he looks comfortable doing it. Have a look at a change in field. Get the mid-off back to long off.
up and away. That's the victory stroke. What a remarkable victory. With 1 for 37, conceding 15 runs in the 20th. Didn't nail his Yorkers on a couple of occasions and paid a heavy price. And you're right, Tino, there should have been a long off.